Hi, I'm Samuel and I was a student from Catholic High. Firstly, I had a lot of problems with my compo. For instance, wherever I did my compo in school, my teacher would usually give me a 18 to 20 marks out of 30. And my English compo results would always hover about there, never to increase or decrease. And this was quite bad because wherever I write my compos in schools, I wasn't really able to organize my thoughts well and also come up with solid and well argued paragraphs which will substantiate my view. Because of this, I would usually fall flat of the 20 to 25 mark range which I really wanted to achieve. Secondly, I believe that I was also very weak in my narrative comprehension. For instance, I really lacked the skills in answering certain types of questions, for instance the language use questions, and also those kind of linguistics kind of questions which are how effective is this word or phrase used by the author. As a result, I would usually get about 10 to 12 out of 20, but after joining Learning Journey, my grades started to improve and my narrative comprehension really improved, and I was able to answer all these kind of challenging questions. For essay writings, I really got the chance to embark on many practices, especially at Learning Journey, and this really helped me to structure my thoughts and also my paragraphs well for composition writings. And through the immense practices and also through the corrections which my teacher really helped and guided me throughout the whole secondary 4 year, my composition skills really improved as I was able to write much more organized compositions and also being able to put across my idea firmly and also decisively and without any flaws in it. Next, I was able to also improve my standard of comprehension. For instance, Learning Journey really guided me for comprehensions. I remember my teacher teaching us about the step-by-step ways to answer comprehension questions. For language use questions, we would quote the exact phrase from the passage and then explain in our own words and link back to the passage. And this really helped me as this step-by-step guide really allowed me to think systematically and also be more able to target and answer all these kind of challenging questions which I deemed challenging before. My experience in Learning Journey has been very great. What I love about the classes here in Learning Journey is that it's very light-hearted and also teachers are very caring. Teachers would also put in the extra effort to mark extra pieces of work and also would guide us whenever we meet problems, wherever we are doing our work. When it was quite close to my O-levels, I decided to do more composition writing essays so as to get more practice and also get me ready for O-level. When I handed in all these extra compositions to my teacher willingly marked all these and also gave me a lot of advice on how to improve my writing and also how to organize and structure my thoughts well. Classes at Learning Journey are very unique and also light-hearted. Whenever I attend Learning Journey's tuition classes, I would usually feel very happy because of the interaction between the teacher and the student. We will usually take part in friendly discussions in the classroom about issues such as composition topics like the advantages and disadvantages of the internet, etc. I believe that these discussions really make the whole lesson very engaging compared to other tuition centers which are more serious. Moreover, I believe that the attention that I receive in Learning Journey is very individualized and is also very customized. For instance, I'm weak in composition and also narrative comprehension. After understanding this, my teacher would tailor the whole lesson specifically to address the needs of each student. And I feel that each lesson is very informative and is also very good as I am able to learn as much as I can. Of course, I would recommend Learning Journey to many of my friends as I believe that the tuition experience at Learning Journey is very unique and is also different than compared to the other tuition centers which I have been to. I believe that the experience at Learning Journey is very fulfilling and Learning Journey really customizes their education such as to satisfy the needs of the students and they prioritize the students first.